Welcome to the channel. It's Dr. Durst. So I'm going to give you a little tip that I hear every day from women in the office. And I know I've mentioned this on multiple videos, but just a quick tip today. This will be very short because I'm also told frequently that we just talk more than we need to get our point across. But before I give you the tip, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button for me. And then you are going to thank me for this tip, even though if you listened to me in previous videos, you already know what I'm going to say. So women love foreplay. We hear this every single day in the office. We have conversations about this, and just know that you will be a rock star in the bedroom if you focus on her first and arousing her. And so it works to your benefit too. It works to everybody's benefit that you just take a little bit of time and you talk to them, surprise her. That is a huge turn on, just being surprised, but just focus in on the clitoris, the arousal, slow moving, maybe oils with it so that you give an opportunity for her to get aroused and increase blood flow. It engorges the clitoris. It increases lubrication, and it also just prepares her so that she's almost so ready by the time that you have penetration or that you enter, that she's already so ready and may have even had an orgasm, which again, taking care of her first. If it happens and it doesn't even require penetration, then that's great. And I'll tell you, you can give me pushback all day long on this, but I can tell you, we talk to women and on a daily basis, I hear this and they would so appreciate it. It will make you a rock star in the bedroom. And just know that, just take that time. And of course they like surprises. So be a little dirty. You'd be surprised how much they absolutely love that. So again, let me know your feedback and your experience and just give it a try. Don't be so close-minded if it is something that you're resistant to, because I also get the comments and see a little resistance out there, but I'm telling you, this is a secret that most men don't know. They make it more about the penis and penetration, and that is not where the skill is. The skill is using all the things prior to penetration. All right, guys, let me know what else you want to hear about. I'm willing to deep dive into anything, obviously.